Why I paused before episode 2, let's talk about alignment, leverage, and real leadership. This isn't going to be really long. I just really wanted to come on. First of all, I do apologize that this was not up in 3 days. I know that's why I don't like to give a time frame, because I promise every time I give a time frame, it is just so many different things that happen. But this right here was totally out of my control, as I did plan to record and drop episode 2 on Monday. But I wanted to have a real moment with you first, because this journey has taken a few, when I say a few, I mean a few unexpected turns, right? This week, I almost walked away from this platform. There were things happening behind the scenes that didn't align with my values. And instead of getting stuck there, I just got quiet. I got in prayer and I asked God for a sign, a clear sign, because I can't begin to tell you how challenging the last 8 months have been in my life. And sometimes you really just have to stop and completely silence the noise, even when it's hard, and you just got to wait for clarity. And you cannot move until you're able to move, no matter how much you want to move. So my heart was extremely heavy, because some of you have been reaching out to me after watching my videos, and I know the type of leader that I am, and I know how much I want true freedom, and I know I always say this, real freedom means different things to everybody, but I want time and financial freedom, not just for myself, but for others as well. And I still believe that this platform has the potential to get us there. But here's what I also know. When you're building through affiliate or network marketing opportunities, you are at the mercy of the company, right? Because they can do what they want, when they want, how they want. And you have to take it, because you either have a choice. You either stay and adapt to the changes, or you leave. That's your options. And so that is exactly why I paused, to pray, to evaluate, to make sure I wasn't moving out of emotion, because I admit I have moved out of emotion before, right? And so I wanted to really realign with my purpose. And because I know that when God moves, he moves clearly and without confusion. And so when you're tapped in spiritually, you don't second guess it. You're going to receive whatever the message is when you're praying as confirmation. And when I tell y'all, God showed up and showed out for me today with complete confirmation. And it came so quickly. And it wasn't even just today, it was started yesterday. So the person who reached out to me this morning after watching my YouTube videos reminded me that my Rich Off Crypto Life movement is not just a platform. It is a movement. It is an extension of my Freedom for Life mission, and it is my divine assignment. So this is about alignment. This is about legacy. This is about building a path of least resistance for people who want more. And when I tell you, I have not come across any other platform that has the leverage that we have here. So I have to look at it like this. And this is where I stand. I can't control what the company does, right? But what I can control is what I teach, how I lead, and what I allow in my community, and what I allow my community, for those of you that value me, respect me, and you trust me, for you to plug into. Like, I can control what you plug into with me. As long as you're plugging into me, I can control that. Outside of me, I cannot. So you won't see me pointing people to every company-wide call or random promotion that they're doing, because their products are just that. They're tools. We have a vision here at Freedom for Life and Rich Off Crypto Life. We have to decide what to build with those tools, right? Just like you, whatever your vision is, you have to decide. So with their unique 5-stream income affiliate compensation plan, we can and we will win, as long as we stay focused on the right things. And I am working on building out a system for my team that keeps the main thing, which is helping you earn while you learn, helping you stack daily Bitcoin, and helping you simplify your journey to freedom. So yes, episode 2 is coming. Within the next 24 to 48 hours, it will drop. But I had to honor this moment first, because this isn't just a YouTube series anymore. This is a freedom movement. And there are a lot of parts in this freedom movement that I'm creating, and I'm extremely excited to be able to be on this journey. So let's build, Let's rockle, which is rich off crypto life, baby. Let's stack, because what? It's level up season, baby. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. See you on episode 2. So listen, the only way that you can get something that you've never had is you have to do something that you've never done. You got to step out your own way so that you can experience some things that you've never experienced before. Don't you want that, baby? Listen, this video today is for the person that has really felt like giving up, right? I just want you to know that when you are ready to give up, that moment when you say, you know what, I am done, that usually means that you are right there at your breakthrough. So don't you quit. Don't you stop. Don't you dare give up. It's on the way. Just hold on a little bit longer. Keep pushing a little bit longer. Keep grinding a little bit longer, because you're right there. That thing that you really, really want, right? It's going to require your dedication and complete focus. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. Listen, today's message is for that person that likes to procrastinate. Yeah, I'm speaking to myself too. Procrastination is a thief. You know why? Because it steals moments, hours, days that will never return, right? If you are someone that relates to procrastination, baby, make the decision today that you're going to take control, you're going to stay focused, and make every single moment count. Tomorrow is definitely not promised. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. I saw a meme the other day that said, iron sharpens iron, right? You can't stay sharp if you hanging around butter knife people. Do you understand what that means? That means that in order for you to stay sharp, you got to be around sharp people. If you want to get to a certain amount of income, right, you can't hang around people who can't even see that as a possibility. Or if you're trying to get to a certain area in your life, you got to hang around people that's going to sharpen you, or your ass is going to be like a dull butter knife. Hey, listen, you will never get full validation from someone who is committed to misunderstanding your role, who you are, your choices, or even your heart, right? Sometimes you got to recognize that and let it go. So like I said, it's November 1st. It is a new month. On top of that, it is a powerful month. Let's let this month be a month of clarity, cash flow, and clean energy. And it's okay if you have to put the oxygen mask on yourself. It's level up season, baby. Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Listen, no one who ever changed their life started confident. I'm looking for some folks that's ready to level up, that's ready to get to this Bitcoin, that's ready to let the last 60 days of 2025 be the best 60 days of this year. Where my folks at? Let's get it, baby. Let's go. And yes, you can turn Bitcoin into cash. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Listen, sometimes it's okay to play a fool to the person who thinks you're a fool. Somebody repeat after me. I affirm that money is forever flowing freely and abundantly in my life. You know, a lot of people say money isn't everything, but baby, please understand that money gives you choices. It gives you options. It allows you to make decisions that everybody cannot make, right? It allows you to have real freedom. Without money, there is no freedom, because how you going to eat? How you going to pay your bills? How you going to put a roof over your head? How you going to get back and forth to work? I mean, come on. Money gives you choices and options to let you live life on your terms. Let's get it, y'all.